Recently, I've been feeling a little bit like I am just getting through each day and like the things that I have to do. I feel like I've definitely been doing some anxious online window shopping, also online shopping, and then like returning most of it. So we're doing some reset days. We're getting centered, grounded. Like you can see my kind of messy closet. Part of what we're doing is like a closet clean out. But I've also just been trying to do grounding practices for myself for the past couple days, like starting the morning with what feels like a good morning routine that's like putting me on the path towards approaching the rest of the day from a grounded and centered place instead of kind of like taking every single thing as it comes in a, not in a like Zen taking everything as it comes way, like I'll cross the bridge when I get there, but almost like I'm like chasing each thing that I like need to get done or want to get done. And so these couple days I'm just like getting it together. I woke up at 5 a.m. yesterday and did what was like a really lovely morning routine and wish that was my everyday routine, but this morning I woke up at 8 a.m. So it's different day by day, but I did try to still like incorporate a lot of those same practices. So I'm about to start cleaning out my closet, and I'm not gonna lie, the first thing that I thought was gonna be a for sure let's get rid of it, I just thought a really cute way to wear it with this cardigan. It's this cashmere sweater vest that I thrifted. It's originally J. Crew, and my issue is the neck is really tight, and so I tried wearing it with like a long sleeve t-shirt underneath. I didn't like that because I want to see a little bit of the neckline when I do layering like that. But I just had the thought of like, what if I wore these together, like a little coordinating set? So let's try that on, see if it works. If it doesn't, this will go to ThredUp to get credit. I might just not really like the fit of this on me. I don't know, let's try it with the cardigan and see if that feels like cute in a little 90s, 2000s knit set kind of way. They are slightly different types of black, but the ribbing hits around the same spot. What do we think? While we're at it, I'm also just gonna try on a couple more of honestly all my other little knit vests, because I feel like it's a thing that I really love the idea of, but whenever, and I'll have outfits of it, this would be so cool, cute and cool. So you're like, you know, why did you have two black crew neck sweater vests? That's why we're getting rid of one of them. And also they're different. That one was cashmere and like very thick. This is silk and it's lighter weight. They're both thrifted. This one, the brand is August Silk, but I think I like the cut of this one more because I feel like this could also be cute to wear. Yeah, see this? Okay. We're already in much better shape. This is the kind of situation that I want if I'm layering a little sweater vest over a t-shirt or a top, and like it's fine for stuff to be a little bit like weird and zhuzhy down here. Okay, yeah, this sweater vest is perfect. This is making me feel much more sure about getting rid of the other one because this is really cute, even though this isn't the best like base t-shirt because it's a little bit wrinkly. I like it. It works. She's a keeper. Last knit vest, and this one I feel really conflicted about because I just got it recently and I love the idea of it, but I think it might be a situation where it's just like the size isn't right for me. So it's this little Fair Isle knit Vintage Express. It's very itchy, so like you have to have a shirt on underneath, which I think I would anyways with something like this. I think I don't like how it fits me. Like, see, I think it's just a little bit, I wish it was more like the other one where the ribbing on the bottom kind of came in, or even if it was just a little bit shorter maybe. Like, I wish it wasn't fitted like this. I wish it went like that. And you know what? Rule is, if there's something I would change about it, I have to get rid of it. But everything else about it is really cool and perfect. Like the pattern, well, besides that it's itchy, but like the pattern, I like the little high V-neck, so you get a peek of the t-shirt that's coming out from underneath. But I just don't like the way it looks on me. So it's a no. I think I'm gonna start putting things on Depop again because like some of these are just really cool. And I wanna make sure that like they're appreciated. These capris, remember when I thrifted them? I still think they're really cool. I've never ever actually worn them in real life except for playing dress up. So I'm gonna have to let them find a new home. Like they have a little divot in the back, the grommets in the front. Like they're so like what Kamagos is making right now. Another thing I'm getting rid of that will probably go on Depop, pinstripe, vintage Gap, wide leg trousers. They're so good. They're like a boot cut and a wide leg mixed. It's a wool blend, so it's not super heavy. It's also not itchy. And the little subtle pinstripe, oh, so good. Also such a good brown, like kind of a cool tone brown with a warmer tone pinstripe. So I think part of this is that I just like have some clothes that I need to put in storage like for summer. So maybe I'll also do that. But first we're just gonna go through like things to get rid of. Keep it in a pretty good spot. Most of it's hanging up. Okay, this is another one I'm conflicted about. This is super cool thrift find. It's this like blazer tunic kind of top. Like I would wear it as a top. You could probably also wear it as a jacket. I mean, it looks honestly good with the t-shirt underneath, but I just like the shape of it a lot, and that it just has these 3 top buttons and then like opens up. I think looks very cool. I think this might be another one where the idea of it is really cool, but I don't like how it looks on me. Like I feel like this would be really cute with, yeah, no, I literally just like, I don't like how it looks on me. That's the problem. For me to like it, it would need to be maybe like that. But the shape is really good. I guess the question is like, do I like it enough to try and alter it myself? It has little pockets too. Okay, maybe this will go in the alterations pile. Because I do want to do like an altering slash thrift flip. Oh my god. I do want to do an altering slash thrift flipping video, so maybe this will go in there. I had to pause the closet clean out to take the dog for a walk, and now we're home. I'm gonna work on making some pizza dough because it is Pizza Friday.